Let's go down the line. All right, cool. Okay. Index. Okay, so each of these values elements has an index value, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And say you want to find the index of 12. Just because it's important to you for some reason. You can just do index and then the value that you're trying to find, and then you get 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It works. It's not all of these things, they're not just for integer lists. That's what we've been working on before, but I have a string list here if you guys kind of want to see how that works. If we keep it the way it is, it's not going to work because obviously 12 is not in this list. So if you want to do something like club, the string club, and it will find it 0, 1, 2. So just quite simple, returns the index. And okay, here's where we go a little more complicated stuff. Not really though. Say you want to insert an object at element 0, 1, 2, 3. Say you want to insert something here. You can do that. You can even insert like a string into an integer list. So this is gonna change it. So we're gonna go back because this is not returning anything. So if you try to print that out, it's not gonna print anything. So this, change this, insert. This is inserting club into, yeah, wait, let me, I believe there's a, yeah, one sec. So insert, yeah. So just checking the order of that. You're gonna put, okay, cool. So what do we want? Index 3. So this one has 2 parameters. First parameter is the index. Second parameter is what you want to insert. And the order does matter there. If you flick those two, it's not going to work. And once we insert it, printed it out, as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, club comes there. And the way insert works is it pushes everything that used to be there, that used to go from index 3 and beyond. It pushes everything to the right. So it doesn't delete anything. It just pushes it to the right and inserts the whatever you want to insert into it. That cool. Quite simple. Okay, so why don't we go over sort? Sort is also a simple one. It literally does what it says it does. It sorts the list. So if we want to sort it, just call it here. There you go. So this list isn't sorted. This list is sorted. Yeah, really simple. And then we can do remove and pop. These two things do the same thing, but like different ways of doing the same thing. Say if you want to remove element 1, which in this case is a 6. We can keep this, by the way. You don't have to delete. Like, you can keep on working. So say you want to do list remove the element at 2, right? 0, 1, 2. So what this is going to do is it removes the element at 2, and then because we have sorted it, the new list looks like this, and when we remove it, we're going to be removing a 6. So when we print it out, it's just going to be, oh, my bad, sorry. Remove, sorry, I was thinking of pop. Okay, so this is what pop does. I'll explain remove. Remove is really similar, but pop removes the element at a specific index. So pop, you do pop, and then if you want to look at these two strings, these two lists, can you guys see that? Or is it too small? All right, great. So as you can see, this one's obviously shorter because we removed the element. And if you look at it, this one's sorted, and then we did another method onto it. We called another method on it, the string, the list, and then we removed 6. So simple stuff, but good to know in the future. And you guys can always look this up if you forget how to use it, which I kind of forgot how to use it then. But all right, we're gonna do remove now, which is the same, but it removes a value, the first value, item with the value, as I wrote down here to not forget. So say you have this list of strings: Kevin, coding, club, CBSAL, Python, and you wanted to remove club. What you would do is, oh, by the way, you can sort string lists, even if they're not integers. You should be able to. And then, so we can remove club. That's a specific value inside of it. Oh, my bad. Printing list still. All right, great. So if you want to check out the printout, we sorted it first, and you can sort strings. And if you guys have any experience with programming, when you sort strings, it sorts it alphabetically, or it sorts it not exactly alphabetically. It sorts it based on the ASCII values. In this case, it is alphabetical. So CBSAL comes before club, comes before coding, comes before Kevin, comes before Python. And then what we did is we didn't know where club was, where club would end up, and we don't need to know. We can just remove that value, remove club. So in the second list, there's not a club. But there you go. Those are some list methods.